Hi, I'm here to show you how to do some knot dragging with your woven wrap to help break it in. So first you're gonna make a slip knot, okay? To make a slip knot, you hold your wrap on one end. You're gonna take a free hand and you're going to wrap it around just like that. Then your hand is going to grab the longer end and pull it through this loop, just like that. Okay? Then you have this knot, and then you want to tighten this knot just a little bit by pulling the shorter tail over here so that it creates a lot of friction when you're pulling your wrap through. So when I'm dragging my wrap through a knot, I like to hold it at the knot just like this, and I like to pull it through just like that until it gets to just about the very end. And then you hold it again at the knot and go in the other direction until you get to just about the very end here. If you were to pull it all the way through, you would have to redo your slip knot. And you just... Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to break in your wrap using ring slings. These are large ring slings that I got from Little Zen One. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one end of your wrap in your two ring slings, and then you are going to thread it through just like that. So you have one end. Okay, then you're going to drop the one behind, and you're going to stick this shorter end through it. Pull it through just like that. So you have something that looks like that. See? So now you are going to take the side with the longer tail, and you are going to grab both rings just like this and hold it. And there it creates friction for you to pull your rings or your wrap through. You just keep pulling and pulling and pulling. And then to go the other direction, you just pull it through just like that. And then flip the ring again. And flip. After doing that for maybe like 20-30 times, your wrap will already feel a lot softer. This wrap was, or is, a hemp blend, and when I first got it, it was super crunchy, but now it's nice and soft and squishy. So it's well worth your time to break it in if you want it to feel like it's been loved for a really long time really quickly. And that's it. Thank you.